Strong protest against the Operation Green Hunt, the government of India's deliberate move to escalate military intervention against the indigenous people in the forested regions of East Central India. Such a military campaign already will endanger the lives and livelihoods of millions of the poorest people living in those areas, resulting in massive displacement, destitution, and human rights violation of ordinary citizens, especially the indigenous people. We are acutely aware of the fact that the geographical terrain where the GOI's military offensive is taking place is very rich in natural resources like minerals, forest wealth, and water, and has been the target of large-scale appropriation by several Indian and foreign corporations. The desperate resistance of the local indigenous people against the displacement and dispossession has in many cases prevented the government-backed corporations from making inroads into these areas and has thankfully impeded the setting up of ecologically disastrous industries. We fear that the government's ongoing military offensive is an attempt to crush such popular resistances in order to facilitate the entry and operation of those corporations and to pave the way for unbridled exploitation of the natural resources and the people of these regions. We feel that it would deliver a crippling blow to Indian democracy if the government tries to subjugate its own people militarily without addressing their grievances. As has been witnessed in the case of numerous people's struggles around the world, such military campaigns end up in enormous misery for the common people. Therefore, we demand an immediate end to the Operation Green Hunt and withdrawal of all armed forces from these regions. The GOI should engage with the civil society mediated initiatives for negotiations with representatives of people's movements in order to address the grievances of the common people. All memoranda of understanding, MOUs signed with various corporations for the extraction of natural resources from the vast areas of East Central India must be repealed and immediately cancelled. All draconian laws like Unlawful Activity Prevention Act, Chhattisgarh Special Public Security Act, Armed Forces Special Powers Act should immediately be repealed. Ban on political organizations should be withdrawn and all political prisoners should be released. All state-assisted vigilante groups like the Salwa Judum in Chhattisgarh and Harmat Bahini in West Bengal should be immediately disbanded, and the concerned criminals associated with these organizations, including government officials, should be brought to book. And that is the list of our demands.
Woo! नारा है भाई, नारा है, नारा है भाई, नारा है, नारा है भाई, नारा है, नारा है भाई, नारा